again welcome back to my channel. So right now I am in a car, as you can see, and I am on my way to Chandpur. Okay, so you might not have heard that name before, so let me tell you that Chandpur is one of the newest beaches in Bengal. It is located near Digha, in between Tajpur and Shankarpur. Okay, so we are going to reach the destination in a while. Okay, so finally, after a journey of 4.5 hours from Kolkata, we have reached Chandpur. On the right side is the sea. I hope you can see that. Okay, and the weather is super good. Oh my god. Okay, so now I will be telling you how you can reach the place. If you are going by car, then you have to take the road to Chandpur before entering Shankarpur. And if you are going by train, then first you will have to go to Digha station and then take a trekker to Chandpur. Finally, we have reached our destination, and this is our hotel, Hotel Moon, and this is one of the best hotels in Chandpur. So let's go inside. Oh my god, this place looks so beautiful. This is fantastic. Okay, so this is the lawn, as you can see, and the lawn is well maintained and it looks amazing. So this place is well decorated with trees all around. I am loving this place. So let's have a look around. I will be showing you my room in a while, so please wait. Okay, so now I'm entering into my room. Okay, so this is the room. It's not too big. It's very basic yet clean. Okay, so there is a cupboard, as you can see. Then there is a mirror and a small stool. There is a table with 2 chairs. The yellow door is the washroom. There is an AC. This is the bed. And there is a TV. I'm going to the terrace of the hotel now. So in order to go to the terrace, you need to climb a few stairs. Okay, so yes, this is the terrace. Oh my god, the view is fantastic. Truly beautiful place. Okay, so let's have a look at the sky. The sky looks so pretty. And the weather out here is so good. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Just moderate. I'm loving the weather. Location wise, this hotel is great and you can view the sea from the terrace. Okay, so there are so many coconut trees all around. So come with me and I will show you the sea in a while. I can see the beach already and I hope you can too now. So this is Chandpur beach. Wow, this place is just fabulous. I can't explain how happy I am to be here. The beach is so close to the terrace. I feel like if I jump from the terrace, I will just reach the beach. The beach is totally calm and you will not have any crowd, any hustle and bustle. This is a place where you will enjoy the nature fully without any disturbance. After some time we will have lunch and then we will go to Digha. This is Digha. On the right hand side you can see small shops, and on the left hand side there is the beach. Digha is not empty at all. It is so much crowded. In my Puri vlog, I have shown you how empty the Puri beach was, but see the difference. Digha is not empty at all. If you have not watched my Puri vlog, then please click on the I button to watch it. There is the sea. I don't think it is visible properly. Anyway, this place is so crowded that I am not going to take off my mask here. Okay, so have you heard of the balloon shooting game? I'm going to do that after some time, so please stay with me. Okay, so we came back to the hotel, and the hotel has actually arranged for us seating at the terrace so that we can have dinner here. This is the terrace. Cool breeze is blowing and I'm feeling so fresh and energetic. Okay, so yes, here we are going to have dinner. Oh my god, there is a cat. Let me tell you, tomorrow in the morning we are going to visit Tajpur and Udaipur.